I sound disgusting, but it's okay. Hey everybody, what is up? It is Christian here, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to get the notifications, and make sure we give this video a like. And today we are going to do a Disney haul, basically everything that I've gotten since I started my Disney college program. I'm really excited to share some of the items that I've gotten with you guys. I do apologize, I am kind of sick. I've been working a lot lately and I am not feeling my best, but I'm here to film a video for you guys today. I love clothes so much and I really didn't have a lot of Disney merch when I was starting my program, so I made sure to get stuff that, you know, is Disney merch, but it also is kind of like my style. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I got were these standard Mickey fur ears. These are one of my favorite. These are my go-to ears that I wear to the park all the time. I really don't wear the regular black Mickey cap ears or my Pinocchio ears that much. I also do like these ears a lot. They kind of go with everything. They're just standard black. So yeah. Alright guys, so the next thing that I've purchased is my Wilderness Explorer hat. I really like this. I actually got this at Disney's Animal Kingdom at one of the outdoor merchandise carts, and I kind of really like yellow. I don't wear yellow as much as often as I should, but I do really enjoy this hat, but I do enjoy the aesthetic that this hat has. So for the next item on my haul that I've gotten is this purple wall hat, and what's really cool about this purple wall hat is that it actually has the silhouette of Cinderella's castle on the side, and it also tells you to meet me at the purple wall. The purple wall is one of the most famous Disney walls that people take Instagram pictures on. I haven't worn it that much lately. I haven't had time to go to the parks and really enjoy myself. And then for the final hat, I actually have a Monsters University hat. As many of you know, and you can probably see right here, that Monsters Incorporated is one of my all-time favorite Disney movies ever. Mike Wazowski is one of my favorite characters, so I felt that it was very fitting that I do get my Monsters University hat. I wear this hat all the time. I actually was going to wear it during this video, but this is a haul video, so I do have to show you what it looks like off my head and not on my head. This up at Cast Connections. It is just the World Cup inspired Epcot shirt, and it's like Mickey kicking the Epcot ball for the World Cup that happened this year. This tank top is super duper comfortable. I wear it all the time. As many of you know, I am a die-hard fan of hoodies and sweaters. I love them to death. I don't care if it's 100 degrees outside. I'm always gonna wear one inside the house. I might wear it out a little bit at night. So I did get this standard washed Walt Disney World green sweater. It is one of the most comfortable sweaters that I own, on top of the gray one that I wear a lot, which is in one of my Instagram pictures in my Instagram, which if you haven't already, go ahead and follow my Instagram. It is the Christian Tolosa. I'll put a link in the description down below. I feel like it'll be very fitting to wear when the not so scary decorations at Magic Kingdom start coming around at nighttime, because I do like to go to the parks at night rather than during the day, because it is a lot cooler there. So another shirt that I got is this Mickey pre-washed. It's the same logo as the green sweater, not hoodie, and it is just a red tank top. I actually got this for 4th of July to wear at 4th of July for the parks to see the fireworks, and I haven't worn this a lot lately, but I need to, honestly. I need to not wear the white so much because white gets stained so much. So the next thing that I have purchased, it's actually not Disney related. It's actually from Box Lunch Gifts. I will leave their link in my description below. It is an amazing store. It's also at the Florida Mall, so if you are in the college program, I would highly recommend going and checking it out. But I did get this amazing shirt. It's from one of my favorite movies, Mean Girls, and it is North Shores High, and it says, "The limit does not exist." And as many of you know, I posted this photo quoting Gretchen Wieners wearing this shirt, and I actually get a lot of compliments on this shirt now because people are wondering where I got it. Alright, so for another Disney merch shirt, I actually did get this Rose and Crown pub shirt, and if you don't know what the Rose and Crown pub is, it's actually in Epcot. I actually really love Epcot so much. I love the atmosphere of Epcot, and I really like the shirt. It kind of reminds me of the shirts and the styles of shirts that you get at the beach in North Carolina. It's something that reminds me of home, even though it's meant to represent the UK, but it is a green color, and if you notice that green is kind of one of my favorite colors. Alright guys, so for another shirt that I got from Disney is actually a shirt, I haven't taken the tag off yet. I actually got it at Cast Connections, like I did with some of this other stuff, and it is a Three Caballeros shirt. My friends Maya and Tori and I, we used to call each other this all the time because it would always be us three whenever we were hanging out or going out and doing stuff together. So this shirt actually kind of reminds me of them, and I actually haven't worn it yet. The tag is still on it, which is really funny. But it is in black. Black is always that go-to color. You can't go wrong with it. My next item that I also got it at that store, Box Lunch Gifts. You can also get Disney merch, Nickelodeon merch, different movie merch, all this different type of TV merch basically at this store. I never heard of it until I actually set foot in it. I was just at the mall browsing, trying to kill time one day. And as many of you know, I love Monsters Inc. I say it all the time, but I actually got my favorite fraternity on a shirt from Monsters Inc. and it's Roar Omega Roar, and it's actually the spirit jersey in the colors of Roar Omega Roar. And on the back it says the full name of the fraternity, and honestly this shirt I've been living in for the past couple days. It's my shirt to wear around the house. The final item on my haul is this jacket that I've always wanted ever since Disney came out with their college type style of clothing. It's the Disney inspired varsity style jacket with the giant D logo on it, and then it's got the flag that's kind of stitched on here, and on the back it has the number 71 because many of you know Disney World opened in 1971, and this jacket, I wear this around the house whenever I'm cold. It's very heavy, so I can't wait to wear it in the winter with an outfit and style it up. But it's honestly like one of the coolest jackets that I've ever found, and I know one day it's going to be worth a lot because it is that vintage inspired style type of jacket. Okay guys, so that's gonna do it for this vlog. I know it's a little bit short, but I just kind of wanted to share everything that I purchased so far while on my program. If you guys have any other video ideas, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed, like this video, turn on those notifications, and I'm gonna see you guys next week.